In one day, there was total restoration. I don't know what you have lost. I don't know what they took from your father. I don't know what they took from your grandfather. I put them in your hands. Oh, you are not listening. I put them in your hands. They did not leave empty. They left in fullness, well compensated. My Father, all that I have lost, all that my parents lost, there will be total restoration. Can you pray that prayer? There will be total restoration. Open your mouth properly. Oh God, all I've lost to the enemy, all of my family lost to the enemy. Let there be total restoration. 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 Yes, I regret that I take it back.